knife was never taken out in nobody's possession. They didn't even know what she had in her bag.
But they said that.
Yeah.
Cop bent down.
Yeah, I just wanted to make
opened the
sure.
back and took it.
Yeah, they took, actually the bag was snatched off her because the bag was broken.
Mm-hmm.
The bag was broken, which they could have took it off, but they snatched the bag off. The bag was broken. And, you know, evidence, you're supposed to take it off. That's one evidence that they didn't take. They gave her back her bag.
Mm-hmm.
And they should have kept it, because now they have to justify the knife being in the bag. How can you see it? The bag, that's because the bag was steep enough where that you couldn't see the knife. Even if the bag was open or closed,
Mm-hmm.
you couldn't have seen it.
So they gave her
The knife was
back the bag
that small.
deliberately.
Yeah.
The other thing with that, I think what happened was just like in South Carolina, y'all saw the South Carolina up in Charleston, I think, how the cop took the taser.
Yep.
And then took it over.
And put it back, yeah.
When they know that they were wrong, they got to find reasonable justification. They're going to automatically go to that place of trying to fix it,
Yes.
so it can make sense of what happened. So in the video, you see literally the officer bending down, and he took
Oh, yes.
something like
Oh,
this,
yes. Yes.
and he walked away,
And
and then he came back. You can, if you play the video, so you see that. So
Yeah.
again, whether they, I think the question, I think where we are now is that we know, I knew that he wasn't going to get charged. I knew that. We knew. They don't charge and indict for murder. So I knew that he wasn't going to get charged for doing that to his daughter. We knew that. Now the turnaround was like your daughter said, it was surprising that that happened so quick. You made it happen that quick by the protest. The protest is what really stirred and sped that whole process up, because if not, it would have took longer for that to be, resolved. They wanted to get that issue out of the way because the voices of the people was disturbed, and they wanted to go ahead and do whatever they had to do to silence the voice of saying that that was wrong and unjust. Well, let us do our procedure and exonerate them like we always do, so that we can move from here. But we can't move from here.
Right.
See, this
There was a question back